Morning guys! Happy Wednesday! So ito yung baon natin sa work. Burger pero hindi siya ban ang nilagay ko. Tapos may lettuce, cheese, and of course boiled egg. Diet din tayo pag may time. So I'll prepare now myself going to work. This is for my lunch today. Pero maybe punta tayo sa other branch ngayon. Tingnan natin mamaya. Hi babe, I'm going to work now. So, but you're sleeping, so I just go in. I love you. Guys, nakabihis na po tayo. We're going to work now. So, maybe I go to the other branch ngayon kasi kailangan nila ng backup doon. So, let's go guys. Be safe everyone. Okay guys, pababa na po tayo. Nasa elevator na tayo, di ba? Pasandal-sandal tayo today. So, ground floor.
Ground floor.
Diba?
Doors opening.
Good morning. Diba? Napaka-alas nila dito. Magalang nila. Lagi sila nag-decorate ng morning. Let's go. Bayad po. Dito na kami sa ating naka-close pa kasi pa-open pa lang ang ating COVID place. Ito tayo sa lower ground. Diba ang kanita? Ganda guys.
Hey babe, Cowboy fries right here. Cowboy fries, French fries, sour cream, cheese, chicken, French fries.
This isn't the only case that this applies to. Now imagine a person who is less powerful,
sour cream.
a person who isn't as rich.
Love you.
Hey guys, katapos lang ng client namin. So ito yung other branch namin. Diba? So, ganda. Guys, nagintay na natin yung sakyan natin. Ito yung kabilang branch namin. So, tayo na lang tayo. May halo-halo sila ganun. Diba? May Korean Mart. Ano Korean Mart. Guys, andito na nga pala tayo sa bahay. Di ako nakapag-bless. Nainis ako dun sa angkas na yun. Ito, pala ako kumain ng panggabihan doon kasi sobrang busy. So, black coffee tayo, cup noodles na lang. Then, yung tira natin kanina, hindi ko nakain yung isa. So, let's eat guys for dinner.